बोलिए ना।
Today is the last day of the Savan, Lord Shiva's last day. Worship tomorrow is the, and so today is the 18th August, a very auspicious day of the Lord Shiva. And here I would research on, I will explore the strengths to explore the research on Kamaraj plan, K. Kamaraj plan, very famous plan, which had made Mrs. Indira Gandhi Prime Minister of India. So that plan she had become the Prime Minister, Congress Prime Minister
तेज बोलिए।
Congress Prime Minister of India. And not only that, there was a conflict in the Congress itself. And Congress had President Indian Sri as the official president candidate of Congress party was Neelam Sriva Reddy. But Mrs. Gandhi put up Bibi Giri and asked her party to vote on consensus, and the people, the candidates, and Bibi Giri won the election and he became the President of India. So these are the political scientists or the students of young political science. So research on this matter. And so today I am going to see, as now a movement has been long time, caste census for people are crying, and even leader of opposition. Rahul Gandhi is also asking for the caste census. But here I am like to see, I am just counting the caste in northern India who have been the head of the government. In Bihar, in UP, in Haryana, in Rajasthan, in Madhya Pradesh. When we count the cost of the chief minister, since independence of India, first chief minister of Bihar was a Bhumihar in Bihar. In UP, the first chief minister of Bihar was a Brahmin. And in Bihar later on has come down after, and there have been so many caste of UP chief ministers have been Brahmin, and few are Rajputs. And again, only one man who was chief minister of UP was a Jat, Haldar Kishan Charan Singh. Only one, and later on he became also Prime Minister of India. Another chief minister of UP who became Prime Minister of India was Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Congress party then left him. He was also by caste Rajput. So number of castes of Rajputs will get more number. Brahmins and Rajputs have rotated the chief ministers in UP, as well as in the case of Bihar. The caste counting of chief ministers are: first was the Bhumihar chief minister, Sri Kiran Singh, succeeded by Brahmin chief minister, Vinod Jha, succeeded by KB Sahai, caste chief minister. Then later on see that, I'm just counting the numbers of how they come. Then many, one caste chief minister was, two caste chief ministers are there, one KB Sahai and another one is Mahamaya Sinha. And after that, scheduled caste chief ministers, Bola Paswan Sastri, Karpuri Thakur, and then
Not Karpuri Thakur, scheduled caste.
he was scheduled caste.
Not OBC, EBC.
No, Karpuri Thakur now he comes under scheduled caste. Okay, that will check. Karpuri Thakur also from that committee, that one. And then Syam Sundar Das. These are the three chief ministers from that. Then Rajput chief ministers, we will see first chief minister was
Anugrah Narayan Singh. Anugrah Narayan Singh.
no, he was not chief minister. Chief minister was
Satyendra Narayan Singh.
Satyendra Singh later on. He became earlier was from Jammu. I am forgetting his name right now.
ANC ने अनुग्रह नारायण सिंह भी.
No. He was from Patna in Patna College Product, and he was the chief minister. Just you will recollect the name. He was from Jamui. Lali Babu, he was famous by Lali Babu but his name was, he was the chief minister, Rajput chief minister, first chief minister.
अच्छा ओके ओके
Hmm. And then Satyan Babu, second one. So two chief ministers from Rajput. And but you count the numbers of the Brahmins. Number of Brahmins are more as a chief minister, counting that caste. So these should be rotated as Kamraj's plan, as in the party of the Congress, has been implied. As so as the new government, BJP under leadership of JP Nadda, and he had also really tried to rotate.
Not leadership of JP Nadda, leadership of Modi ji and president of BJP JP Nadda.
JP Nadda. So, but JP party president, party is JP Nadda. They have really rotated, like how they have rotated the caste hierarchy. Like they have put into a new caste leader as chief minister in Madhya Pradesh also. First time a Yadav has become the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh. So, in the case within, you can say in Rajasthan also, a Brahmin after a long time, there have been Brahmin chief minister, after a long time BJP has put a Brahmin chief minister. As in the case of Haryana, always they were, but first time JP Nadda and BJP had put a Punjabi chief minister of Haryana. So these are the caste target. This caste constitution of the chief ministers. And so the new formula that all should be given equal chance and Jadwaj in Bihar. 3 Jadhav chief ministers have been there. One is Daroga Prasad Rai,
4
then Lalu Yadav, and then Lalu Yadav.
BP Mandal, BP Mandal, Rabdi Devi.
BP Mandal also achieved for a short time, but they were no. But Daroga Rai, Lalu Yadav, and Rabdi Devi, 3 chief ministers, Jadhav chief ministers, caste wise. As in the case of Haryana, UP, you will see Mulayam Yadav have been for a long time chief minister of Bihar, UP, and so is the case with his son also. So these things, a proportional representation of all castes for the post of chief minister should be formulated by the parties, national parties like Congress and BJP. That is my that again the formulas and proportional representation of all those who have been rotation of the chief ministership should go to all castes.
Okay, okay, thank you.